Hey guys, it's Ann from What's Up Homestead, and it's Monday, and I'm going to start showing you what I'm using up out of my pantry and my freezers. And I also have canned goods, and I've already put my canned chicken or my that I canned home canned in here, and I've got mayonnaise, and I've got some relish that I canned in June of last year, and I'm going to add that to it and add onions and probably some celery, and this is going to be my lunch. I just had some of these little guys crackers for breakfast and some coffee, so this is what I'm going to have for lunch, and I will bring you along in a little while and kind of investigate what we're going to have for dinner tonight. And I thought I would kind of go through what's in my cabinets too. Just kind of a quick look on my pantry challenge I'm starting today. I showed you earlier I made chicken salad out of my storage. So I'll show you what I've got in here. It's a mess. I need to use up all the stuff. I know some of the stuff's old, like the squeezed cheese is from Christmas, I think. The date is October 2020 though, so it doesn't have a lid on it. Would you still eat it? I don't know. I think that ramen back there is old, but I don't think it goes bad, so I'll keep it for the pandemic apocalypse. And there's some baby crackers. There's some white icing that I think I want in some kind of a basket I haven't used. I've got these things that are so addictive, and I'm starting to hoard them in the cabinet. I ordered 3 of these. The ones with they're cranberry and pecans, candy pecans, or pecans, however you say it. I say pecans. And they substituted 3 of the ones with almonds, which are nowhere close to being as good as the ones with pecans. So I've got plenty of those. I've got more down here. And those Parmesan crisps from Aldi are delicious on your salad. I've got these. I hoard these things too. Pizza crust mix. I have a video that I make like a knockoff pizza, Chef Boyardee pizza. I buy a case of the Chef Boyardee sauce in a can, which you can get it at most Walmart's. Walmart stopped selling it, so I have to order it on eBay, or Amazon. And my daughter bought the regular box, which are very expensive, and it doesn't even come with cheese anymore, so it's ridiculous. So I've got something to can some salsa with. I've got some popcorn. Dried cherries that I need to use up to make some granola. I think that's what I'll do this week too. But here I've got some chopped pecans. I've got tortillas. I've got macaroni and cheese. I've got lots and lots of Jell-O for some reason. I have this. Oh, there's more tortillas. Sorry about that. It's all stuck in here. My son brought that back from us from his honeymoon in England. Monster Crunch. We ate one, and I'm saving that one. And I've got some dehydrated tomatoes. I need to do something with that. More of the candied pecans. Got peanut butter. I've got crackers, grain crackers back there. I have rice, couscous mix, hot chocolate, which I don't need anymore this year. I've got these pretzel slams. I like dipping them in the cream cheese, the garden cream cheese. Got some organic crackers I found for $1 at Walmart. Just random bags of chips. There's some most of those are shelled, and I have some that are not shelled. And his penguins from Aldi, they're really good. Potato chips probably need to be thrown away. These coconut almonds from Aldi, they are the best thing ever. It tastes like a Almond Joy. Pack of peanuts and some deluxe cashews. I have crackers, spaghetti back there, some more. I see a little box of Jiffy cornbread mix back there. This big old huge thing of spaghetti. There's that. I've got a box of these Captain's wafers I need to hurry up and eat. I think they're already expired, but they're still good. I've got they're like thin wheat crackers, like Triscuits maybe. These crunchy oat bars from Walmart. They're really good, and they're like $1.50 a box. I started getting those for Doug. He likes them. I've got like a shake and bake knockoff from Walmart. It's really good. Got some pastas, penne pastas back there. I guess another box of the penguins. Just more pasta back there. So I've got a lot of food in here also, and in the top of my microwave I have just condiments here, but I do need to use up some of this stuff. I have gravy, some Parmesan wing sauce, oyster sauce, jalapenos, some salt, some Mexican flavorings. I have some maple syrup, corn syrup, barbecue sauce, tahini. That really needs to be opened up and used. Molasses, sriracha mayonnaise, carrot cake spread, Trader Joe's, diced pimentos for some pimento cheese. So I have a good bit of food. So hopefully in the next week or so I can get rid of some of this. So I'm going to look in the freezer and with that and what's in my refrigerator and see if I can come up with some kind of a meal plan for today. Okay, for dinner we're going to have some Mahi Mahi. It's frozen, so I'm defrosting it in the sink. For tonight I'm going to put it in the oven or probably in the air fryer and make that with some vegetables and some potatoes. And this is what we're going to have. I got out of the freezer today, and I'm going to defrost it for tomorrow with some pork chops. And I did buy a few vegetables, but I needed that for the week. That's what I'm only going to buy. So I've got some strawberries, fresh strawberries. So I paid like almost $22 for the strawberries. I think were $14. And I didn't see the little $5 container. I should have got that. But I can freeze these. I can make a lot of things with them. I might try and find a recipe to make some strawberry shortcakes. That sounds really good. I got some cucumbers. I'm guessing they're from Florida, but they look really good. I got some turnips. I'm going to roast those, and some zucchini and squash. And I thought this thing was cute as can be. So that's all I've got that I bought today. So I'm going to do the Mahi Mahi, the roasted potatoes, and some roasted vegetables, and I'm going to make up a salad for the week. So I'll come back when I start cooking it. And I had to be like Jen Chapin and buy a nice salad spinner. It's the OXO salad spinner. And I can't wait to start using it because I have all that lettuce. And I had that little tiny one that I used the other night, and it just did not work. So I ordered this thing, and it's huge. So I can get a lot of lettuce in there. So I'll come back when I start to cook. Okay, I have the air fryer heating up. And I didn't use all of my produce. I've got zucchini, potatoes, turnips and onions in here. And I'm gonna mix it all together and put it in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna take my fish, and I've got garlic powder, onion powder, and lemon pepper, salt and pepper on there. And I'm just gonna let that hang out while my vegetables cook. Then I'll put the fish in the air fryer. I was going to do the pork chops tomorrow, but my husband requested spaghetti, and I have everything for spaghetti. I had to make my own homemade sauce, but that's no problem. And I'll make a salad tomorrow, so that's what we're having tonight. So I will mix this up and put them in the air fryer. Okay, everything's done. If you hear some yelling, it's my husband. He's playing video games over there with some other people. So I put the fish in the air fryer. I know some of it's overcooked because this one was real thick and the other ones were thin. So I should have just cooked that one first and then put the other ones in, but I didn't, but it's still good, so it's okay with me. And I opened up a can of beets. Next time I'll know to make pickled beets. These are just regular beets, so I have to put the vinegar and sugar in there afterwards, and I just think I would rather go back to pickled beets. Thought I would add something to it. And then these are my vegetables, and they are so good. Even though the turnips are a little crunchy, they're still good. They're just a little bit bitter, but this is what we're going to have tonight to use up the stuff in my pantry. And I hope you get some good suggestions for cleaning yours out, and I'll be back tomorrow hopefully with another video of what I'm eating for the pantry challenge. See you in the next video.